are well strung and an interesting conversation is about to begin. Composer and pianist Anil Srinivasan calls himself a compulsive collaborator. He has collaborated with renowned musicians such as Aruna Sairam, Chitraveena Ravikiran, Mandolin Srinivas, Lalguri Krishnan, and John McLaughlin, to name a few. But if there's one musician who's very, very close to his heart, it is Sikil Gurcharan. Well, they've already begun chatting. Let's listen in.
Doesn't it sound very familiar to you?
Of course.
So, you know how we both know that tune. So, we'll probably do one line from that tune.
Oh, yes.
And so on. And Kartinile again came to us in the form of a film song, and it came to us through Meera, and M.S. Subbulakshmi sang it. Actually, Charan, what I find getting more and more interesting for us to do in the future is to find Western classical formats in the original and combine them with Carnatic formats in the original.
Yeah.
So that what I'm playing is pure Western classical
remember
music.
we actually started out like that with Omana
Omana that's right. And Omana Tingal also is the framework that I used for that is the Chopin lullaby, which you remember that? Why don't you sing a line? And actually the original in that is actually the Chopin lullaby itself is what I'm playing, which is and I found it amazing that Chopin composed this piece probably around 1833, 1834. Is around the same time as Yereman Thampi would have composed Omana Tingal for Swati.
Yeah, so it's a beautiful blend of Chopin and Yereman Thampi and folkish Arabi.
And folkish Arabi, and coming in the same decade of 1830 to 1840. And this was an era before Facebook and Orkut even existed, so people couldn't have done any rapid share transfers. Actually, what I'd like to do for us in the future, Charan, is in the Madri, I want to keep combining the classical formats itself at the format level, not just at the piece level. So one of the formats that I've been thinking about is something known as the canon. The canon in classical music, in Western classical music, is it was associated with church music. And in that, what happens is that you have a theme, and a theme and variation, Madri, it keeps, you have a theme, then the variation 1, then the theme again, variation 2, and then the theme again. So canon means something that keeps coming back to the same starting point, which is
almost like a Kalpana Swaram.
Exactly. Yeah. And one of the themes that I was thinking of is for our favorite poet, Bharatiyar.
Bharatiyar, of course.
For Vedlai Thamari.
We'll
continue playing that.
Continue playing, and every time you bring one Sangati down and come back, notice that I will keep playing.
Let's
this
try the
motive.
Anupallavi once.
கவிதை கொள்ள இன்பம் உலவு கவிதை கொள்ள இன்பம் உலவு கவிதை கொள்ள இன்பம் உலவு கவிதை கூறும் பாவலர் உள்ளத்தில் இருப்பாள்
and then you can come back to this. And when you come back to Vedlai Thamarai,
Okay.
just like you are coming back to the Pallavi line, I am coming back to the main line of the canon. Which is
Okay. So I'll do Kallai once again.